like over $300,000. V4j. Super Legera. Revamped by Lamborghini. This is beautiful. I just noticed there's a, oh my god, how many?
I know, we have 7 of them in here right now.
7?
There's never been this.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. This time on the V4. Today's gonna be an exciting day. I am currently going to meet up with a couple people, and we're going to see the new reveal of the new Super Legera V4j. It's a collab, kind of like the Diavol collab with Lamborghini and Ducati, but this time they're actually using a Super Legera instead of, you know, just a random. I'm not saying that Diavol is shitty, but I mean, come on. If Lamborghini needs to collab with Ducati, they need to put the V4s as their kind of like vehicle to customize, and that's exactly what they did. So we're gonna go. The reveal was actually yesterday, but today is kind of like where people can go and see it and stuff like that. It's going to be at their showroom, and then Lamborghini is doing an event too, so we might stop by there after. I'm not sure yet, but that's kind of the plan. Gonna be exciting. I want to see that Super Legera so bad. I love like customized vehicles, as you guys know, so a custom one-of-one Super Legera is definitely something I would love to see. A lot of new parts on the V4. It's a nice V2. How you doing, bro?
Will. Call me Will.
Awesome, K. Nice to meet you, man. I like the white. Good color. Woo. That's gonna be loud. I love the white on the V2s. Yeah, I was saying in the video I got a few new parts you guys didn't see. This is one of them. I love the glossy carbon with the slits, and I also got this piece, which is from Ducati Performance. I got the OEM piece, so it matches all the OEM pieces that was already on it. Sounds like a V4. Yep. This piece is already on it, so I kind of got this to match it. Got a bunch of pieces coming in, but I think that's it so far. These are the pieces I put on this, and these 2 carbon pieces. The front end looks already much better because now we have 2 carbon pieces instead of just 1. Definitely going to be doing the back too. And I put this weird anti-glare windscreen, which looks kind of clean, but there's a lot of bubbles that I don't know if you guys can see, so we'll see if we keep that or take it off. All these Ducatis. Oh, I need an exhaust on mine so bad. It's Mr. J-Man. With a shredded tire. He was at the track day, the one I filmed for all you guys with this bike. I didn't dare to take this one. I took my R1M. Oh, I need an exhaust so bad. These guys are gonna make me want to get an exhaust sooner. here we go again. I know I'll complain about traffic like all the time, so I'll try my best to not complain as much this time. But yeah, the guy with the V2 is saying that he couldn't see from the Rizoma stealth mirrors either. He's like, it's mainly for looks, which I do agree, it looks amazing, but as I was saying, like, I really use my mirrors, so I guess it's a good thing that I got these, and I guess I'll just get the other side for it. This is finally the one bike that I have that has butter smooth shifts up and down. The H2, as you guys know, is just brutal and aggressive with the downshifts. The upshifts are butter smooth, and the R1M is just kind of like a little clunky. You kind of got to put in a little more effort into it. But this bike, since it's pretty much OEM, it's like butter smooth up and down, which I love. For once, I have a bike that's butter smooth up and down with GP shift, because I didn't have that on my last V4. Never got the chance to switch it to a GP shift. Very nice Aprilia. Oh, I see it. It's right there. Let's do it. Oh, the OEM. And then, oh my god. Dude, what? It's like over $300,000. Holy. That blue. It's like shimmery.
Yeah. Look at that Super Legera, a little bit carbon fiber.
Holy shit, yeah.
Kind of like little carbon fiber. The J's.
So nice. How are you?
How's everything?
Good, good.
Your new one?
Huh?
Enjoying your new one?
Yes, right there.
I saw you online.
This is beautiful.
Painting too. You did the side of the crate.
I just noticed there's a, oh my god, how many?
I know, we have 7 of them in here right now.
7?
There's never been this big of a congregation of Super Legeras anywhere.
That's insane. So this one's already sold?
Oh yeah, a year and a half ago.
Oh my god. Same price as this, or?
No, that's a Lamborghini did this for about $30,000.
Okay, so it's about 130-ish before fees and tax and all that.
139 total.
Oh my god. So like 140. The blue carbon wheels. There's just too much to look at. That custom seat though. Okay, I officially need a custom seat on the R. Like custom. I really like this. This is like gorgeous. Oh, these are Super Legeras too. $12.99 Super Legera, $11.99 Super Legera. The new Super Legera V4 with this cool finish. I like this because I've never seen this before. It's so unique. I mean, obviously, this is like just. Whew. V4j Super Legera 500 out of 500. So it's the last one, number 500. Is that what I'm assuming? Like the detail, even the grips. Yeah, that's one number 398 out of 500. Let's see what number this one is. 490. So this is literally the last Superleggera. Revamped by Lamborghini. Dude, this is crazy.
That is crazy.
I really like this one too.
Yeah, oh, that's Superleggera.
Yeah, it's
It has a color like
yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like full black carbon. That's why I'm like, damn.
this one not came out, just already crazy now compared to this.
Yeah. This is two more Superleggeras in the back. 1199, 1299. Yeah, the paint is crazy. I hope you guys can see it on the camera. It's like shiny. It's like a shimmery. It's not just blue. Oh, it's a wrap. This thing looks crazy. This is way too much to look at. This is so beautiful. Imagine having a portrait of your $140,000 bike in your home. So you have 1, 2 red ones, 3 the blue one, 4 a full carbon black one. I mean, they're all full carbon, but black one. You have 1199, 1299. Woo! That is insane. 1299 final edition. Nobody does it like Ducati Newport Beach. It's interesting. This one has a different Acro exhaust. And it has OEM rear sets. That's interesting. Because these come with Ducati custom ones. Yeah, I wish I knew they made those before getting mine. I feel like this would have looked really good with the tank. Yeah, this one has the OEM rear sets. I thought they all come with crazy aftermarket rear sets and that Acro system. Yeah, this one has a stock rear set too. That's very interesting. And then the beautiful SP, which I almost decided to get, but they're like impossible to find because they're new and sold out. Gorgeous bike though. I just like the R because it's more similar to the Superleggera engine-wise and stuff like that. But the SP would have probably made more sense for the street. Gorgeous. Fun times at Ducati Newport Beach. Make sure you guys come check them out. Damn, all these bikes with exhaust, man. They really make me want to get an exhaust ASAP. But as I said, I think I'm doing the carbon first. Well, I mean, I already started on the carbon, so I'm gonna finish with the carbon and then get an exhaust in a tune. Sadly, my GoPro died, so I have to end the video. Fun time hanging out at Ducati Newport Beach. You guys saw the new V4j, insane bike. Please like, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and ride safe.